Want to see my penis?
So,
I'm M203 in these guys. I'm gonna bomb with the shell.
our advantage is our fucking guns.
Yep.
Lovely. You won't last very long.
You still want to see my penis? He looks away.
Hey, Jackass, you want us to go or no?
We're ready.
Oh, he's like, fuck that.
You got a gun in your hands. Loaded or not loaded, should've got it done earlier. I'm gonna fuck bitches. Hit. What are you doing? What the fuck? Shit. Should've fucking reloaded at the beginning.
Damn the wind .2s.
Are you done reloading?
Yeah, I guess so.
Take your damn fucking time. Fuck. I'm the juggernaut, bitch. Sorry. What the fuck you doing, man? I don't got no fucking cover. Getting hit on all fucking sides, god damn it. I got fucking hit.
Look at this straight. I shoot at you.
Yeah, you shot like this first, and then you got me.
Where I got you first.
Well, it went right here, and then you started hitting me. It took 2 seconds for the pain to hit it. I don't know where the fuck my guy's at. He's supposed to cover me, and he didn't cover shit. Where the fuck you at, Dinkleberry? Get behind me. I'll shield and cover you.
Alright.
Tell me when you're ready to move.
What? Yeah, I know, right?
I hit it 15 times square in the fucking leg. He's like, oh shit, it was close.
Alright, let's move. Hold on 1 second.
What the fuck's shooting? Oh, it's that douche over there.
shit.
Dead?
I don't even know what's wrong. Don't promise. Please hold.
Cover us. Cover us. He's got to fix his gun.
Gear sound like they're grinding to death. Only safety's your finger.
Hey, I know you like being in the middle of the field, but get up from there.
I don't know if anybody's up there.
There isn't. I just cleared that area.
Alright, I'm good.
Gotta make double check on mine.
Looks clear. Probably hiding behind around the shed. Alright, heard you breach. 3, 2, 1.
Room's clear.
Contact the field, I think. Actually, we're back there. I'll take the field, take back there. Take a buddy with me.
Take what?
Take a buddy with me.
Nate, get over here.
What?
Get over here. Go with me.
You go with him.
Hey, you go with him.
Contact down.
Go.
Where did you get?
One down.
Right here. You're so quickly.
See him.
That one's hit. There's another one back there.
Looks like it's clear over here.
Go.
Go. Can't go under that.
What do you use?
Got a goddamn shield in my fucking hands. Yeah, well, I have a fucking shield that's wider than me.
I think.
You getting shot?
No, I didn't get to shoot that.
Oh.
Why did you come so close?
I couldn't even see the riot shield.
I was waiting and I was like, I'm gonna wait for them to pass. And I saw him get hit, and you guys were just turning around. I was like, oh.
Actually, I'm not sure it's the riot shield that got you.
Wait, was it you or you who went first?
I saw you
So I
first.
shot at one of you guys and I ran.
You shot at him, I think.
Oh,
And then we both shot at you.
I got like 4 bullets on me.
Were you firing semi-auto?
Fully.
Same here.
So was I.
He was lighting me up like 2 feet away.
Hold the button down.
Yeah, it's still recording.
Alright. Is the game still going?
Okay. Us 3.
And get used to this.
Oh.
You don't feel shots, do you?
I feel shots. It takes like 2 seconds.
I killed him twice.
Because I'm used to pain. I've been doing this since 2009.
You guys have to. I'm just saying.
I was the first ranger to clear the team. That's why I'm the first lieutenant. Back when we were called Blackjack Company. Everybody kept thinking we were a poker group and kept fucking sending us messages going to play poker. I'm like, I don't play fucking poker.
I do.
Oh, he
Never
plays.
lost a game. I always
I'm
leave
good.
with more than what I came with. So what you don't know is I'm always rich. It's part of the game.
Well, you got a camera on listening to you now. Some guys,
Well,
some guy in LA.
don't play me in poker, you're fucked.
Don't play me with a riot shield. I like to ass rape people.
Come on, LT.